Hey, how's it going? In this video, we're gonna go over how to draw the red panda from Turning Red. This one's just gonna be the head though. That's the difference. This one's a little bit different, just the headshot. Really, really simple, smiling. If you're brand new at drawing, you can absolutely draw this easily. So I'm excited for you. Let's just jump right into it. Stay all the way to the very end because it's a very, very short lesson, okay? Let's get started. Alrighty, let's jump in to the face here of, of the red panda right here and turning red. So just the face, let's do it. First thing I'm gonna do right here is I'm gonna start with the inside out. So I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna draw kind of a line like so, straight down. So it's like a little hill. It's gonna be for the nose. Down over here, down over here. Okay, go over here on this side, circle, go over here, line down here, all right, I'm gonna go over here and draw essentially a triangle shape for kind of the mouth. So I'm gonna go over here, curve on the side, in, down over here, in. All right, line up, line up. Gonna have a smile, and it's essentially gonna be a rounded shape, okay? Kind of like a hot dog shape. Curve underneath, and then round it around here. Basically, that's like a hot dog shape, or I don't know, cucumber or something. Go over here for the teeth, and we're just kind of putting little bumps there, maybe with the canine over here a little bit. Bump, 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 bump. Canine over here, bump, bump. Curve, curve for the tongue, and we're gonna fill in the in-between area completely black. If you're doing this in pencil, you can easily do that as well. Over here. Right there. And I can draw little lines right here to separate some of the teeth there. Right on. Up, out, down, curve. For the eye on one side. Over here on the other side, same thing. It almost looks like a marshmallow. I guess you could just draw it totally round, but I like drawing it like that. On the inside, we're gonna draw a circle for the eye. And the iris and pupil. Circle for the iris and the pupil. Circle. That over here. Circle. Go over here. One eyebrow. Over here. Other eyebrow, looks like a teardrop. Over here on this side, so now we're gonna draw the head. The head, the whole main part here. And the head is pretty big in comparison. So I'm gonna even mark it over here. Maybe like mark it over here, that's where that side of the head's gonna be. And then maybe over here, mark it on this side. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna round that shape down, maybe about here. I'm gonna mark them. So I'm gonna go over here, and as I go down, and make it round, I'm gonna be making these zigzag shape to show, kind of a shorthand that it's a fuzzy animal. Go over here on this side. Pulling up, pulling up. Gonna go over here, and I'm gonna continue the line over here. You could break it, or you could kind of keep it going up for the middle of the head. See, that's kind of smaller at the top middle. Looks like a Care Bear or something. Zigzag. All right. Let's go over here for the ears. Gonna pull out. Maybe zigzag a bit. And I'm gonna pull it down. It's a triangle, right? Pulling it down, but as I pull it down, I'm gonna do this zigzag. Go over here on this side. Same thing. Zigzag. Right there. And let's go over here and we're gonna do some of the patterns here, but I'm gonna do them with very light line. Don't forget, by the way, hit the subscribe button and click the bell notification if you've been here this long. Awesome. Absolutely subscribe to the channel. Make this the video that you do it for, because I'm gonna be posting here 3 times a day, constantly, okay? Constantly. And what that does when you subscribe and click the bell notification is it basically lets you know what I'm posting, because you're gonna see the thumbnail somewhere on your feed and you're like, oh cool, he's drawing that today. I'm gonna draw that. So that's kind of like a good way to do that. So make this the video, like I said, if you can. Go over here. Zigzag with a thinner line. I'm doing, man, this marker is dead. But over here, I'm gonna go here, thinner, but I'm thinner meaning I'm pressing on the line less. Zagging down, over here, because this is supposed to be like a color change, right? Let's go over here, same thing. See, it's kind of on one cheek. Over here on the other cheek as well. Go over here. Zigzag for inside the ear. Then I'm gonna go in for the inner ear here. And maybe pull it down. Over here for the inner ear, I should have just done that first. And then we're gonna go over here and draw some zigzag on the fuzz coming out. And lastly, what I want you to do is to do the whiskers. I can probably put them over here. They'll probably come out on the side. Crazy, right there. Crazy, 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 crazy. That's it. I want to thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to hit that like. The like is what, this is the fuel of the channel. So thank you so much. I will talk to you next time. See you later. Keep it real, okay?
Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight.
Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, you know, for example, on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff about learning how to do this stuff, you know, long term. And I get that, that's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour, as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both, but like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons. So you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month. Like 30 days, that's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very, very first link. That gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy, and the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up, and you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent, and you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it. So talk to you later, and hopefully I'll catch you over there later. Thank you so much. You are amazing. Over here on the right, you're going to see my most recent upload, and on the top corner over here, you're going to see just another selection, another cool selection that has to do kind of with the subject of this video. And over here at the top, you can hit the subscribe to see a lot more. This is awesome, and I'll see you next time.